We're at the bluff of the Access. We'll call it Access Rock, next to the Wolf Garden. That's the trail that leads back down into Deepwood Glade. And we've made a full circuit today, going vertically up the rock faces, following some of the trails and access roads, and then we move back into Trunk. We're now about to head up the south face to Trunk Road. Alright, and we are going to follow the switchback. I'm not going to take the animal trail, but that is where I have to block off with a fence right there, so that coyotes and deer will stop coming up into Wolf Garden. They know where the boundary is. So, even though scent deterrent works very well, flight distance plays a role. So eventually they're going to figure out exactly where they can make it to. All right. You can see Wolf Garden very well from here. You can just see the edge of the greenhouse and lip of farmhouse. I say lip. The lip is what I refer to the edge of the rocks, like that, sticking out, creating the bedrock layer across the top of the mountain top. Oh my. All right, going this way. I'm not going to disturb any of the natural barriers, leaving my own obvious scent and trail. So I will go around. These beech trees hold the leaves on them around. Well, that's take the trail. Stay on the trail. Don't make new trails. Okay, George. All right, you can start to see the structure of farmhouse through the woods. I'm going to stop the video here. Thanks for everyone's participation, and please like, share, subscribe, comment. Trying to get the channel off the ground. Have a lot better visuals after I learn how to use the camera techniques, video editing tools, and the like. Like I said, thank you very much for watching. Please feel free to comment with any questions or anything you saw in the video that you thought was interesting and you'd like to know more about. That'll give me a topic for another video. Okay, enough with the dialoguing. See y'all later.